Welcome back to Car Wow 787, your go-to source for the latest and greatest in the world of automobiles, RVs, and adventure vehicles. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our in-depth reviews and exciting updates. Today, we're diving into a revolutionary concept in the world of recreational vehicles, the 2026 Tricycle RV camper. This is not just any camper, it's a futuristic, eco-friendly, and ultra-efficient three-wheeled RV designed for modern explorers who crave freedom without the bulk of a traditional motorhome. From its sleek design and smart technology to its off-grid capabilities, this is a game-changer for solo travelers and couples who want to take their adventures to the next level. Stay tuned as we take a deep dive into everything you need to know about the Tricycle RV camper 2026. The 2026 Tricycle RV camper is unlike anything you've seen before. Combining the agility of a motorcycle, the comfort of a camper, and the efficiency of an EV, this futuristic RV is built for both city streets and rugged terrains. Its aerodynamic design reduces wind resistance, improving both range and speed. The lightweight aluminum and carbon fiber body ensures durability while keeping it light enough for easy handling. It features a three-wheel configuration with two wheels in the front for stability and a single rear wheel for maneuverability. The adjustable suspension allows drivers to switch between highway cruising and light off-road travel seamlessly. Other exterior highlights include retractable solar panels for renewable energy, expandable side compartments for extra storage, a pop-up roof that provides additional headroom inside, integrated LED lighting for improved visibility at night, all-terrain tires for better traction on diverse landscapes. With its sleek yet practical build, the Tricycle RV camper is perfect for those who want the flexibility of a motorcycle, but the comfort of a compact camper. Despite its compact size, the Tricycle RV camper is designed for maximum comfort. The interior is surprisingly spacious and multifunctional, optimized for solo travelers and couples who love the van life experience without the bulk of a traditional camper. A foldable sleeping area that transforms from a seating arrangement into a comfortable bed, smart storage solutions including hidden compartments and overhead shelves, a compact kitchenette with an induction stove, sink, and mini fridge, an integrated digital dashboard for navigation, climate control, and entertainment, adjustable ambient lighting for a cozy atmosphere. One of the most exciting features is the smart modular design, which allows users to reconfigure the interior layout depending on their needs. Whether it's sleeping, cooking, working, or just relaxing, the climate control system ensures comfort in all seasons, with built-in heating and cooling powered by solar energy and a backup battery. For those who need a workspace on the go, there's even a compact foldable desk, making it easy to turn this camper into a mobile office. Let's talk about what powers the 2026 Tricycle RV camper. Unlike traditional campers that rely on gas or diesel, this vehicle is built with an electric hybrid powertrain, making it both eco-friendly and cost-efficient. Electric range of up to 250 miles on a full charge, hybrid range extender that boosts the total range to over 500 miles, regenerative braking system to maximize energy efficiency, 3 ride modes, Eco, Standard, and Sport quick charging capability, reaching 80% battery in just 30 minutes. The Tricycle RV camper is designed for smooth handling and easy navigation, even in urban environments where larger RVs struggle. Its tight turning radius makes parking in small spaces effortless, and the lightweight design ensures agility even on winding roads. For adventurers who love off-grid travel, the off-road variant features enhanced ground clearance, skid plates, and reinforced tires to handle tougher terrains. Hyundai has packed the Tricycle RV camper with cutting-edge technology to enhance both convenience and safety. 1. The smart cockpit and connectivity. The driver's cockpit features a fully digital display providing real-time information about battery levels, navigation, weather updates, energy consumption, stats, ride mode settings. The infotainment system is powered by an AI assistant, allowing voice commands for navigation, music, and even camper functions like adjusting interior lighting and climate control. 2. Self-sustaining solar power system. With its integrated solar panels, the camper can generate enough electricity to power interior lighting, kitchen appliances, charging ports, climate control. This means you can travel off-grid for days without needing external power sources. 3. Smart safety features. The tricycle RV camper comes equipped with 360-degree camera system for easy parking and maneuvering, adaptive cruise control for long highway drives, collision detection and automatic braking, blind spot monitoring for enhanced safety on the road. The 2026 tricycle RV camper is ideal for solo travelers who love the open road but need a comfortable place to sleep. Digital nomads looking for a compact mobile workstation, adventure seekers who want to explore off-grid locations without relying on traditional RV parks. Eco-conscious travelers who prioritize sustainability and low energy consumption. Whether you're planning weekend getaways, long road trips, or even full-time van life, this futuristic three-wheeled camper offers a perfect balance of mobility, comfort, and independence. Hyundai is expected to launch the tricycle RV camper in early 2026, with an estimated starting price of $35,000 for the base model and up to $50,000 for the fully equipped off-road version. Pre-orders may begin as early as mid-2025, with early adopters receiving exclusive customization options. The 2026 tricycle RV camper is truly a game-changer in the world of compact, efficient, and off-grid capable adventure vehicles. With its futuristic design, advanced technology, and eco-friendly powertrain, it's set to revolutionize the way people travel. What do you think about this innovative three-wheeled RV camper? Would you consider using one for your road trips? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our future content on the latest vehicles and automotive innovations. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. This script ensures an engaging, informative, and professional review of the 2026 tricycle RV camper, keeping viewers interested while providing all the key details they need. Let me know if you'd like any modifications.